Here we have a 1927 railcar. A fleet of 90 four-wheeled railcars carried the mail in 1927 when the railway opened. The rugged nature of the designs meant the wheels rubbed on the rails, causing excessive wear. The suggested solution was created longer trains with separate carriages. I'll show you the loco. As you can see, this is a locomotive, as you can see here. And I'm going to talk about this now. 1927, birth of the Post Office London Railway, later called Mail Rail. Okay. London streets were so congested in 1909 that mail travelled at least then 7 miles per hour. Post office controllers Robert Bruce proposed a new underground railway to speed up deliveries, unlike the earlier penultimate system. This railway was electric. Construction began in 1914. The tunnels were 20 metres below ground and linked the major sorting offices directly with mainline railways. Railway stations specifically designed driverless mail cars can run up to around 30 miles per hour on a 0.6 metre 2-foot gauge railway. After the wartime delays, the railway opened in 1927 and ran until 2003. It later gained its name Mail Rail. As you can see here, this is the history of the train and the Mail Rail, and it gave birth. In 1914, construction work quickly began with workers digging a series of access shafts that would have been allowed the tunnels to be dug out by hand in sections.